Hey, I'm Danielle with WTI. If you've tried different diffusers but still can't get your house to smell like a luxury hotel, you're going to love this one from Difair. Right out the box, I was impressed by the quality. It has some really good weight to it, it feels really sturdy, and the sleek design goes well with my decor. What I love most is the fact that this is wireless, rechargeable, and small in size. So if I want it on display, hidden, or in any room in my house, I have the flexibility to do so. Now, I have to admit, because this is a waterless diffuser, I was a bit worried about how fast my essential oil would run out because those are not cheap. So I decided to test it out by running it for 4 hours on low. Guys, it literally did not move. I was shook. I think the fact that it runs at intervals and not continuously really helped with this. This also meant that our home didn't become oversaturated by the scent, which I really appreciate. I also love how user friendly it is. There's no app, no remote, just three touch buttons. That's it. Nobody likes a product that is overly complicated, so it was great being able to use it right out of the box. And yes, for the ultimate question, it works really well. Even on low in my living room downstairs, I was able to smell it upstairs. I've never had that happen with any other diffuser. This is truly such a great find, and if you're looking to elevate your home or business, I highly recommend it. That's my point of view.